He has called hundreds of us who are called to care, to come together and to be filled to the measure of God's love. He doesn't want to just work through you. He wants to work in you.
So I'm not preaching no niche. I'm just saying don't be limited to the niche. It's not about the niche. It's about Jesus. Not what you think you're good at. It's about what God says you're called to.
Zero victim thinking. We need a mental reset, that we go through situations and circumstances in life. We deal with moral injuries. We talk with people all the time who've had setbacks in life, and zero victim thinking is the starting point for moving forward in life.
And so when I think of that freedom represented in the flag, I hope you see it as your freedom to love God and talk about God.
For the foster, for the orphan, for the widow, for the widower, for the poor, for the bullied, for the trafficked, for the unborn, for the disabled. God uses it all.
And I get to pass this vision on to my kids that, listen, we carry the kingdom of God with us as a family everywhere we go. And this is our purpose in life.
What does Jesus do when we lose our first love? He makes himself known again. Not just concepts, not just theology, not just psychology. He makes himself known.